Hello everyone and today we are finally going to France. So guys हमारी ट्रेन क्या है ऐसे डिले हो गई थी तो इसलिए हम कार से जा रहे हैं एक जगह मेट्स करके है फ्रांस में फिर वहाँ से हम जाएंगे पेरिस. Yes guys, finally Paris, Disneyland, Eiffel Tower and all the beautiful monuments out there. So let's go guys, I'm so excited. So we have finally reached Metz, guys, and we are in France right now, and it's so beautiful. Like I can't believe how can a place be so beautiful, give such Pinteresty vibes. Like look at the architecture; it's so marvelous, and it's so green out there. Like the view, we traveled by car, so the view was absolutely fantastic. You can also see the train stations over here. They are giving such great vibes over here, like antique, ancient French architecture vibes. So we're finally on the platform where our train has arrived and we're about to board it. But there's a tragedy that happened with us. You know what? That when we boarded the train like 10 minutes earlier. And then we are finding the seat number. We just came to the end of the train. Then we got to know that we boarded the wrong train. We actually had to board another train which was attached to that train. And with literally only 2 minutes left for the train to departure, we ran like cheetahs and finally reached our seat. It was such a exhausting process, guys. Like you're in a new country, you obviously don't know what's going to happen. And now finally we are in Paris, and you can see that is our hotel, Le Rocroi, and it's just me entering in the hotel right now, and my hair looking too fantastic. Just loving it. So guys, now we are heading to Eiffel Tower, and you can see we will take the bus and let's go now. So we are going to view it. Let's go. You all should know one fact that I have only seen such beautiful architectural marvelous pieces in movies or pictures, but never seen them in real life. And just seeing them in real life with my family on a bus in France just feels so surreal. Like I can't even express it. It's so great, guys. All the credit goes to my parents and my Mosi and Masari. So right now you can see we got up from the bus and now we are walking our way towards Eiffel Tower. It's like 3 kilometers from this place. I don't know what's the name of this place, but this fountain is just so aesthetic, like the perfect Pinterest vibe you want in France. And I got some great pictures over here also, and it's so beautiful. Like I know how people of France escape from the summer heat over here. And right now there is again these huge pillars over here, a walkway also, and it's just so beautiful. And right now we are just walking and we found this walkway over here which is so beautiful, guys. You just see it, like so long green trees and just me and my family walking and gossiping. So these are some pics of us, and here's the Eiffel Tower. Some more beautiful pics, guys. Me and me only. And this is the night view of Eiffel Tower. And so that's it. I'll end my vlog. See you in the next vlog. Till then, bye.